Hi, you're welcome. I want to make a quick video on how to use your Android keypad. Okay. If your Android is up to date, you see this Google sign here. When you click on it, you come over here, the three dots. You can see you have some options. Okay. Uh, so yeah, in case you want to edit your text message, you can click here. So you have the direction, so you can easily move around your text that you want to edit. Okay, you can select all. Okay, you can copy, you can cut, you can paste, and you can move from one hand to the other with ease. Then you have the delete key there as an option. Okay, so let's go to the next option. Okay, so you can also have one hand typing, and you can move it around. You can see, can move it around. You can just play around with your screen. Okay, so you can move your screen around. Alright, so you can go back to your settings, and we have floating keypad. You can move your keypad. See, it's fun, so you can type from wherever position you want. So this gives you the ability for you to easily type on your screen. Alright. Okay, so now I want to show you how you can change your keypad color. Okay, click on that. Uh, which color do we choose? Now let's take this one. Okay, you apply. Wow, this is feminine. I think you like it. Okay, let's just go back and do the same thing. Uh, uh, let's take blue. This you have to remember to keep this keyboard. Okay, you can put a keyboard. Look at the changes that it's making. So I prefer it like this. Well, let's just give it a try like this. Okay, then you apply. Okay, so you see, it's flexible. I don't want to float and switch again, so I just go back to my normal type of keyboard. Then also you have uh, uh, your stickers. Okay, you can download these to get your emoji. Okay, different types. My internet is off for now, so I don't want to do that. Okay, so what else? You have settings. Okay, where you can add the kind of keyboard you want. Okay, okay. So you can choose what you want. How do you want your keyboard to be arranged? You can even choose let it be arranged as your PC keyboard. Okay. So this was it was before. So they have different uh, keyboard arrangement. Okay. Sit down and you go back. You can see. Oh, it didn't change. Just give me some time. Settings, language. I should also change this one to what am I doing? To PC. Okay, so now it's gonna change. Okay, PC it's gonna change now. Okay. Okay, you can see that my keyboard has changed to something else. I prefer this. It gives me the same feelings like I'm typing on my PC. Okay. All right. Let's go back to settings. You can also do some adjustments here to suit your purpose. Okay. Voice typing, many others. Okay. Okay, so that's it. I feel like stopping here. If you have a question how to go about your keeper, you can just drop a message and I'm going to reply immediately. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Like and share. Bye.